Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jordan. Sorry, I'm not wearing makeup today. This is how I look. Yeah, I'm just addressing that now. But anyway, so today I'm going to be doing a different kind of video, and this has been an impromptu video idea and an impromptu life event, I guess. So let me just show you to the camera. Okay, she's in play mode right now, but I want you to meet Margo. She says hi. Hi guys. My name is Margo. I'm a little tiny kitten. This is how tiny she is. I don't know if you can tell. She's you're so tiny, aren't you? Is very in play mode right now. So I'll insert some clips of her playing right now. But yeah, so that's what she's been doing for the past few minutes. She goes on and off, you know, through play mode, and then but yeah, so that's what has been happening up in our life here. Margo actually came into our life very unconventionally. My brother randomly found her wandering, stranded in the middle of nowhere basically, and he rescued her. He couldn't keep her, so we decided to take her in, and at first we were just gonna do it as a foster thing and until he finds someone else to take her. But we within the first 5 minutes we fell in love, and Jared looked at me like, I don't think we're gonna give her back. So yeah, so now we have a new cat named Margo. She's a new part of our family, and so that brings us to today's video, which is just, I'm gonna make her some little treats, just a welcome home gift. They're just simple grain-free treats, just tuna and egg, I think. But yeah, so if you want to head in the kitchen with me, let's make it together, because it's another episode of Unprepared Baking Show with Jordy. No, Cup of Jordy Unprepared Baking Show. I still don't know what it's called, but it's still unprepared and it's still a baking show. So the lighting just got way worse, and I don't think that this necklace looks good like this. It's a long necklace that I made a choker. I don't know about that. But anyway, so the ingredients, ingredients we're working with today are tuna and an egg, and I'm going off of this recipe that I just randomly found, honestly, because I don't have whole wheat flour. And hold on. So we're gonna be making you tuna fish. Look at it. No, Margo, look it. We're gonna be making you tuna fish and egg. Look it, feel the egg. Let's see how she likes an egg. I think she's gonna like this. Basically just mixing the two of those together. Oh, okay. So I'm gonna be mixing the two of these. Let's see. I'm following this recipe from Supakit, that would make sense. And let's see. Preheat your oven to 330 degrees. Let me wear this. I think this is Jared. So I'm grabbing a bowl, and then I need a baking sheet to line with parchment paper. And I need to put this on for bake 370, I think it was. Yeah, no, 330. Bake 330, start. Okay, so we put the oven on for 330, and now it says crack open the egg and separate the white from the yolk. Discard the yolk and place the white in a large mixing bowl. So, do that. And of course, I got shells in it. Now I have the egg whites. Here, let me make it so you can see what I'm doing. We have the egg whites in a large mixing bowl. And then we have the tuna. Let's see. Use a hand or electric whisk. Beat the egg white until stiff peaks from when the whisk is removed. Okay. I have a mixer, and now I'm going to mix and do as it said. Is that what that means? I don't know. Anyway, so when you're done with that, you set it to the side. Hello, girlie. She's right down here looking at me, aren't you? I'm making you treats. Nope, no, 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 no. So here, the stiffed peaked egg whites, and I'm gonna set that there. And then I'm going to need this, and I need a blender. Okay, so now I'm gonna put the salmon, or no, sorry, the tuna in the blender, like so. And then 2 tablespoons. I'm gonna put 2 tablespoons. She smells it. I know, poor baby, I know, hold on. In there. I'm just gonna add a little bit more because it's stuck on my thing. And then I'm going to blend it. All right, now I'm gonna stick it in my blender, my NutriBullet over here, and I'm going to blend it. So that is how it looks, like mush, like baby food almost. And now I guess we just scoop it on to, well, it says to take a piping bag, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm just going to kind of scoop it on to here. I have to line it first, but. Okay, I'm gonna take some parchment paper, line it like that. And then I'm going to take like my little half of a teaspooner, and I'm going to spoon them onto the baking sheet like that. So this is what we have, and I'm going to put this into the oven now. Let's see how long it says to. Okay, I'm gonna put this in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes. How cute are those? They're little tiny ones. And we, oh my god, she smells the tuna. We will see you whenever they are done. Right, Margo? Alright, I just took them out and I'm gonna let them cool and then we'll do a taste test. They're like really hard, so I'm excited. Let's see if she'll like them, shall we? Okay guys, she's awake from her nap, right? And I'm gonna set her here on the chair to the table. Okay, so I grabbed a couple treats for her to try, and here's the real taste test reveal. So, I do not like this necklace on me, but come here. Hey, Margo. Margo. Look. Look. Look it. Oh, she's so tired. Come here, look. Ooh. How is it? Look it. I want more. I want more. Look it. You want it? I'm gonna take it. Okay, well, I think those are a hit. She scavenged them down. Those? How are they? Are they good? Get your little clump of hair in you. Yeah, you like them. Not right now. You'll get some later. Anyway, so that's kind of the end of this video. I guess I'll just end it here, and we'll call it a success. Let me know if you want me to make her any other treats or anything. These were grain-free. I don't know her diet yet. She's back here biting my hand. Not biting it, she's licking it. But anyway, I'm not sure exactly what her diet's supposed to be yet. We take her to the vet tomorrow because we're not sure how old she is or anything like that. So yeah, so I just did grain-free, and they were easy, so yeah, that's what I did, and I think she enjoyed them. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Let me know if you did down below. Subscribe to my channel for more videos kind of like this. This is kind of a first for this. So I usually make fashion and beauty and random health related videos kind of thing. So if you're into that, subscribe down below like I just said. Yeah, I'll talk to you later. Bye guys. Say bye. Bye guys.